Hi guys, it's me Mousree and welcome back to Code with Mousree. So as in my poll of what will be in my next video's tutorial, animation won't. So I thought to make something in animation. So yes, I made it and yes, let's see that is how it is. So let's start this and see. Let's see the coding. So the code was is really simple and stop while I'm uh, scrolling it. Yes, and it's really simple with only one sprite. It's very simple with only one sprite. But the script is two. The script is in number two, and this is something like this. And the coding is really simple. I will tell you that this is a beginner one. Well, it was my experiment. Well, this is the right as in my style. It is available in Scratch of background library. So I hope that you love the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like the video. And yes, this is how the tutorial is. And there is no specific music for my for my animation. You can make more patterns in the animation and give musics, give cheerful, funny, and whatever you love type of musics. And absolutely don't forget to give much more patterns like my code. It is just an example. Okay, and another time telling, do like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys, and take care.